Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk you through the simple process of removing multiple folders in the Telegram app on your PC using the new update. Whether you're decluttering your workspace or reorganizing chats, managing folders has never been easier. Let's dive straight into the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Ensure you're logged into your account to access your existing folders. Once the app is launched, direct your attention to the left side menu. This is where all your folders are listed, neatly organized for quick navigation. Now, look for the Edit icon, located near the top of this menu. It's represented by a pencil or a similar symbol, depending on the app's current theme. Clicking this icon will activate the editing mode, allowing you to modify or delete folders. Once in editing mode, you'll notice a small remove icon, often a trash bin or minus sign, next to each folder's name. Here's where the magic happens. Simply click the remove icon beside every folder you wish to delete. Telegram will prompt a quick confirmation to ensure you don't accidentally remove anything important. Confirm each deletion by clicking Remove or Yes in the pop-up window. Repeat this process for every folder you want to eliminate. The app will instantly update, reflecting the changes in real time. Don't worry, deleting folders won't erase your chats. They'll simply return to the default All Chats view, fully intact and accessible. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've streamlined your Telegram interface, removing unnecessary folders while keeping your conversations safe. This feature is perfect for users managing multiple groups, channels, or projects, offering a hassle-free way to stay organized. Thank you for following along. If this guide simplified your Telegram experience, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to master your favorite apps. Until next time, happy messaging.